What's up, guys? This is Everyday Man's Review here, and today we're going to be talking about DJI's new smart controller for the Mavic 2 Pro series and the Mavic 2 Enterprise series. The DJI Smart Controller will cost about around $650, and it comes equipped with a 5.5-inch Android screen that's 1,000 nit. 1,000 nit that you can be able to see in the direct sunlight. Has a 5,000 milliamp battery that takes about 2 hours to charge, and it comes with the occusync 2.0 technology, where it can easily frequency hop the channels to avoid interference. The DJI Smart Controller for the Mavic 2 series also has weather protections as well. And it's very durable in the great cold, and you can also use it in the very hot weather. The specifics on this are it has including protection from harsh temperatures ranging from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees. But yeah, you could use this controller in the harsh elements without it failing on you. The occusync 2.0 technology utilized in the DJI Smart Controller will give you a flight range of roughly around 4 miles. That should be able to get the job done for most film shoots and industrial work. You can check below the video description for DJI products below.